if you need water, there are two ways to do it. One is with rain and one is without. First of all, if you're in an area where you can get rain, then this is what you need to do. You need to make yourself an oak cauldron. As you can see, it's currently raining and they are slowly filling up. So to do this, all you need to do is just put oak planks in a U like so, basically upside down leggings, and you'll get yourself an oak cauldron. Now, I usually recommend 2 minimum because it fills up faster, but if you can make 4 or more, it's pretty good, and then you're kind of guaranteed it. Now, it says 4 out of 4 bottles right there. That will be 1 bucket, or if you get a glass bottle, you can actually transform the waters across that way to make a whole full bucket. Then I would recommend putting a little infinite water source like this, and never ever contaminate this infinite water source with things like mud. If you need to make things like mud, take a bucket of water, put it in your cauldron, and then use it there. Now, if you want to do it the other way, what you can actually do is go ahead and make yourself a crushing tub. So if we go ahead and make ourselves a crushing tub here, you need 2 planks and 3 slabs of any wood. Make yourself a crushing tub and put basically pretty much any of the saplings in here, jump up and down, and as you can see, we're getting water. Once again, 1000 mega buckets is 1 bucket, so there you go, that'd be 1 bucket of water. So water is pretty simple in the game. A lot of people don't actually know that. A lot of people actually go and try and make a squeezer later on in the game, like I actually did earlier in the tutorial channel, but this is actually a more efficient way. This has been a Skyfactory 4 tutorial. If you need any help, please join Discord down below and open a ticket, and I'll be happy to help.